This children's standard black foldable wheelchair is designed with both comfort and practicality in mind. Built with durable, high-quality hardware designed for everyday reliability. The wheelchair features a reliable, easy-to-use braking system designed for safety and control, making it the perfect mobility solution for young users. Built specifically for children, it offers a secure and supportive seating experience while remaining easy to handle for caregivers. One of its standout features is its foldable design. The wheelchair folds quickly and effortlessly, making it ideal for storage in tight spaces or for transport in a car. This convenience ensures that mobility is never limited. The seat is made from durable material designed to provide comfortable, supportive seating for everyday use. A dependable, practical wheelchair offering comfort, safety, and mobility